Hi, Florian. This is Rebecca from My Model. It's a pity that we can't have a meeting today at your local time in the morning. Maybe I can have a short introduction for our workshop, our manufacturer. Uh, let's get started. This is our company, the front door of our company. This is our quality controlled offices. We have two staff for materials for ordering and three staff for engineering and three staff for mold. This is the places for semi-finished product area. This is the area for the mold production. This is the school forming for now. Deforming for now. This is the part of canister production. This is the lead, or this is the lead cutting. After lead cutting production, we will send to the washing room, and then we'll proceed to lead color coating. This is the lead. Maybe you can share more details for the lead production. This is the canister, the body. This is our hydraulic press machine, usually for this kind of canister or silk products. One manufacturers mainly for all kinds of coffee wood products, mainly for French press. This is the third time for deforming. For canister body, usually we'll have three parts procedures for the deforming. This is the places for semi-finished product inspection. This is the places to make laser logo engraved. Supply of Nasto. This is for Nasto now. This is for Gerber. Nasto Gerber. This is our manufactured managed system. Success managed system. This is the disinfection room. I will enter and show you at that places. Our staff are packing the Nestor scoop now. The reason why we packed all those products in this stashing room because it can to ensure hygienic and especially for health related food storage products to avoid problems when shipping or storage after long term. After the product package finished, we will have the contents at this warehouse for storage. This is the places to storage products. So after checking our factory workshops, we are confident to produce over 25,000 pieces canister, and we have enough spaces to storage the products. This is our inner system to place order. Once we get your order requirements and receipt payment, we will automate record at the systems. As our quality control staffs, once receive the order, will prepare the raw material first. Once the raw materials arrive at our warehouse, first we will have our engineer to check the dimension fitness, and then have our another quality control staff to check the raw material for testing if it is real as fuel for stainless steel. There is any problem between among the production, we can find out the problems from this system because it will have all kinds of records. For our manufacturer, we will usually produce ordered according to customers' order quantities. We usually won't use previous order, last orders material from other customers to make your order.